Imagine this, you've just unpacked your bags. The ocean breeze slips through your balcony door. You take a deep breath, finally relaxing into vacation mode. But then there's a knock, security, and before sunset, you and your partner are being escorted off the ship. Mid-voyage, greater than that's exactly what happened to one unsuspecting couple. And they're not alone. Every year, hundreds of cruise passengers are fined, removed, even banned for life. Not for crimes, but for breaking rules they never even knew existed. In this video, we're diving into the most surprising and sometimes outrageous mistakes that can ruin your cruise. From costly slip-ups to downright awkward moments, consider this your essential guide to what not to do on board. 1. The balcony mistake that got a couple kicked off greater than Renata and Volker thought they were having a private, romantic moment on their balcony. Passionate, loud, and with the door wide open, greater than what they didn't know. Cruise ships are packed with cameras, and balconies aren't as private as they look. Neighbors complained, security showed up. And just like that, their dream cruise ended early with a disembarkation slip and a very uncomfortable conversation. Lesson: if you're planning to make memories on the balcony, at least close the door too. The guy who jumped for likes greater than Nick thought it'd be funny to jump off his balcony into the ocean. His friends filmed it, the clip went viral. But the cruise line wasn't laughing, they banned Nick and his entire group for life. Even standing on the balcony railing for a selfie can get you kicked off. Cruise lines treat risky behavior as a legal liability. One fall, one lawsuit, and suddenly your vacation becomes a case file. 3. The fire starter you didn't know you packed greater than you packed a travel steamer. Maybe a coffee maker, even a tiny hot plate. After all, it's cruise approved, right? Wrong, greater than anything with exposed heating coils or that draws too much power is confiscated at security. Even baby bottle warmers and surge-protected power strips are off limits. Fire is the #1 hazard at sea. And prevention isn't a suggestion, it's sacred. 4. The $250 smoke break greater than lighting up on your balcony. Think again. Not only will your neighbors report you faster than you can say Marlboro, but if you toss a cigarette overboard intentionally or not, you could trigger a fire alert and an emergency response. Result: a fine, disembarkation, and a permanent black mark with the cruise line. Want a thrill? Stick to the water slide. 5. The invisible wine tunnel greater than it starts as a breeze. You open the balcony door, then the cabin door. Suddenly slam, your paperwork is in the hallway, your fingers almost lost in the door. The wine tunnel effect is very real, and beyond flying documents and injured hands, it messes with the ship's air pressure and air conditioning. Tip: only open one door at a time, or risk causing chaos and some very annoyed neighbors. 6. The free minibar surprise You're sipping sodas from the minibar. After all, you bought the drink package, greater than then your bill arrives, greater than surprise. The minibar isn't covered, that $5 soda? It's now part of a $60 tab, greater than unless you're in a suite on a luxury line. Assume every bottle, can, and nut is extra. 7. The flushing catastrophe greater than someone flushed a wet wipe. Seemed harmless, but that one flush backed up the toilets in 10 rooms. Cruise ships use vacuum toilets, one wrong item wipe, hygiene product, even biodegradable stuff, and you're the reason for a very messy maintenance call. Golden rule: if it didn't come with the bathroom, don't flush it. 8. The naked turn down greater than it was supposed to be a quick bathroom break. You step out, towel around your neck, and find housekeeping mid-turn down. Balcony and bathroom doors swing both ways. One wrong step and you're the entertainment. Use the do not disturb sign like it's your passport. 9. The cheese that got confiscated *** greater than you pack snacks. Harmless, right? But if they're homemade or even just not factory sealed, they're gone. Greater than sanitation rules are strict. A sandwich, leftover pizza, even sliced fruit can get tossed at security. Worse, if you try to bring food off the ship in countries like Mexico or Jamaica, fines, questioning, and legal trouble await. 10. The camouflage confusion greater than your camo shorts looked cool until you stepped off the ship in Barbados and got questioned by police. In some Caribbean nations, wearing camouflage is illegal for civilians. It's reserved for military or law enforcement. It may be trendy, but it's not worth a fine or worse. 11. The curtain that broke the rules ** greater than some cruisers hang up curtains or sheets to split the cabin for privacy. Smart, maybe allowed. Nope, greater than fire sprinklers, emergency lights, and inspections are all affected. You'll be asked to take them down or they'll be taken for you. Try sleep masks or privacy pods instead. 12. The drone that never flew ***. You packed your drone to capture stunning footage, but once on board, it gets confiscated. Even if cruise lines allow drones in port, **, they're never allowed to fly from the ship **. Most of the time, they're locked up until disembarkation. Check policies in advance or your drone will spend the cruise in storage. 13. The power strip that didn't make it ***. Older cabins have few outlets. You brought a surge-protected power strip. Logical, right? Greater than except it's banned. It poses a fire risk and can mess with onboard electrical systems. Go with a non-surge cube or USB-only power hub. It's safer and won't be confiscated. The ocean may be vast, but cruise cabins are small and cruise lines have rules for a reason. Some protect safety, others protect peace and privacy, but all of them can protect you from becoming the next viral cautionary tale. So before you sail out, double-check that suitcase, respect the rules, and save the drama for the onboard theater. You came here to relax. Let's make sure you actually get to. If you found this video helpful, hit that ** subscribe * button for more real-life cruise stories, travel tips, and must-know updates from the high seas. And don't miss our next video, ***12 banned items you should never pack on a cruise in 2025 ***. Because yes, that cruise-safe steamer might actually get you flagged at security. Greater than safe travels and see you on board.